Welcome to Freedom Review. Here I rank the top 5 products you can trust. At I end this video, I'm sharing the best drones that I personally tested for camera performance, flight stability, battery life, GPS accuracy, and overall usability. Whether you're capturing cinematic footage, exploring landscapes, or learning to fly for the first time, the right drone can completely transform your experience. I tested each model in real-world environments, open fields, city parks, windy conditions, and low-light scenarios to see how well they perform in everyday use. Number 5. Bwine F7GB2 Pro Drones. At number 5, I tested the Bwine F7GB2 Pro Drone, a feature-packed drone designed for users who want long flight times, strong GPS performance, and a high-quality camera without spending a fortune. When I first launched it, I immediately noticed its stable hovering and smooth flight controls, which made it easy to maneuver even in moderate wind. During testing, I focused on camera quality, GPS accuracy, and flight stability. The Bwine drone delivered crisp 4K footage with good color accuracy and sharpness. These features made it easy to capture cinematic shots without needing advanced piloting skills. Build quality felt solid, with durable arms and a stable frame. The drone handled wind surprisingly well for its size. From my experience, the Bwine F7GB2 Pro Drone is a great entry-level option for users who want long flight time, strong GPS performance, and a reliable 4K camera at an affordable price. Number 4. KINGULL GPS Drones with 4K Camera. At number 4, I tested the KINGULL GPS Drone with 4K camera, a lightweight and beginner-friendly drone designed for users who want easy controls and stable footage. Right away, I noticed its compact design and quick setup, which made it ideal for spontaneous flights. During testing, I focused on camera performance, flight stability, and ease of use. The KINGULL drone delivered sharp 4K footage with good detail and smooth stabilization. The camera performed well in bright outdoor conditions, capturing vibrant colors and clear landscapes. These features help prevent crashes and make the drone more accessible for new pilots. Battery life was solid, offering enough flight time for casual filming sessions. The foldable design made it easy to carry in a backpack. Compared to basic drones, the KINGULL model offered better camera quality, stronger GPS performance, and more beginner-friendly features, making it a great mid-range choice. From my experience, the KINGULL GPS drone with 4K camera is ideal for users who want a lightweight, easy-to-fly drone with reliable 4K performance. Number 3. DJI Mavic 3 Pro Drone. At number 3, I tested the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a premium drone designed for professional creators who want the best camera quality and flight performance. From the moment I launched it, I noticed its incredibly smooth flight, powerful motors, and advanced obstacle avoidance system. During testing, I focused on camera performance, stabilization, and advanced flight features. The Mavic 3 Pro delivered stunning footage thanks to its high-end camera system. I evaluated intelligent flight modes like Active Track, Master Shots, and Hyperlapse. These features allowed me to capture cinematic shots with minimal effort. The drone's responsiveness and precision made it feel like a professional filmmaking tool. Build quality was premium, with a durable frame and high-quality materials. The drone handled strong winds with ease and maintained stable footage throughout testing. Compared to other drones, the Mavic 3 Pro offered the best camera system, longest flight time, and most advanced features, making it ideal for professional creators. From my experience, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a top choice for users who want professional-grade footage and industry-leading flight performance. Number 2. Hiturbo Drone with 1080p Camera. At number 2, I tested the Hiturbo Drone with 1080p camera, a surprisingly capable drone designed for beginners who want stable flight and easy controls. When I first used it, I immediately noticed how simple it was to set up and launch, making it perfect for first-time pilots. During testing, I focused on ease of use, flight stability, and beginner-friendly features. The Hiturbo drone delivered smooth and stable flight performance, even in light wind. The 1080p camera provided clear footage suitable for casual filming and learning aerial photography. Battery life was decent for its size, offering enough flight time for practice sessions and short filming runs. The lightweight design made it easy to carry and quick to deploy. Compared to other beginner drones, the Hiturbo model offered better stability, easier controls, and more reliable performance, making it ideal for new pilots. From my experience, the Hiturbo Drone with 1080p camera is a top choice for beginners who want a stable, easy-to-fly drone with solid camera performance. Number 1. Gleesfun G11 Mini SE Drones. At number 1, I tested the Gleesfun G11 Mini SE drone, and it delivered the best overall performance for portability, camera quality, flight stability, and beginner-friendly features. From the first flight, I noticed its smooth controls, strong GPS lock, and impressive camera performance for its size. During testing, I focused heavily on camera clarity, stabilization, and overall flight experience. The G11 Mini SE delivered crisp, detailed footage with excellent color accuracy. The build quality felt premium, with durable materials and a stable frame. Compared to all other drones I tested, the G11 Mini SE offered the best combination of portability, camera performance, flight stability, and ease of use, making it the top choice for most users. From my experience, the Gleesfun G11 Mini SE drone stands out as the best overall option because it delivers premium performance in a compact, beginner-friendly package. Those are the best drones based on my hands-on testing and real-world use. I evaluated each model based on camera quality, flight stability, battery life, and overall usability. Each option offers different strengths, and the right choice depends on your filming style, skill level, and budget. For more details and current pricing, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.